This is our world, Mother Earth, our home. Beautiful, isn't it? It's the perfect place to call our home. Every part of it is perfect. Well, it's time we wake up. Offshore drilling is only one out of the many problems that we contribute to that is causing our world to collapse. Destruction of habitats, and pollution. Is occurring more and more each year. And these little things that may not seem like problems now can lead to even bigger things.
Last week, torrential rains in New Orleans, a triple-digit heat wave in the Northwest.
We do not talk about or deal with climate change as much as we should be, even though the problems are happening right before our eyes. Climate change has a big effect on our oceans, our weather, our food, and even our health. If we keep burning fossil fuels, global warming will eventually melt all the ice at the poles and on the mountaintops, which can cause sea levels to rise to about 216 feet. The ocean would cover all the coastal cities. Land area would shrink significantly. Streets and homes would be underwater. Polar bears would have no choice but to swim for miles to find a new home, if they could even make it that far. In the future, places and things that you have seen with your own eyes, places and things that you would want your own child to experience, would be gone, destroyed, or even extinct. Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, is driving up the Earth's temperature and is changing the world around us. And one day, all of these factors are going to build up, and we have no one to blame but ourselves. But it's not too late to help.
Climate is changing, humans are responsible, the impacts are serious, but there are solutions if we act now.
There are many different ways that you can help our Earth, and it all starts with reducing your carbon footprint. If your lights aren't needed at the moment, turn them off to save power. Reduce your use of bottled water and other packaged drinks, and instead use a reusable water bottle. Remember to reuse, reduce, and recycle. Be sure to monitor your water usage while you're brushing your teeth, showering, or even washing the dishes. When possible, walk or even ride your bike instead of driving. Unplug any electronics that you aren't using at the moment to save energy. And lastly, take shorter showers and baths to reduce your water usage. Don't wait until it's too late, because in the end, would you want to treat a person the same way we have been treating our world?